Let us continue the slides now.
Right. Look at the example now. So find the mean of the following data by all three methods. So three methods means the direct method, shortcut method and step deviation method. So look at the data now. What type of data is nothing? This one is nothing but continuous data. That is third type of data because the class interval given here. That's why it is called continuous data. Now we are going to find out mean value under three methods, right? So let us go to solution now. Solution. So first one, direct method. So direct method. Direct method, what is the formula? So sigma fm by n. So x bar equal to sigma fm by n. That is called direct method. Now we are going to find out mean under this formula only. Right. So as I already told, for frequency distribution, that is except raw data, we have to draw a table in the solution, right? So in the first two columns which contain the given data, so in data just write first class interval and second one frequency as per the given question. So in the question 0 to 10, 10 to 20 everything is there, you can write it in first two columns. So class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and frequency 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that is the data given here. So in the next column, as I already told that according to the formula we have to write next column. In formula Fm is there, right? So F already here and what is M? So M is nothing but mid value of the class interval as I already told that M equal to mid value of the class interval. So mid value is nothing but you can add the lower limit and upper limit and divide it by 2. That is called a mid value. Now we are going to write M value, that is mid value column. Now add these two now. So 0 plus 10, 10, 10 by 2, 5. And similarly here 10 plus 20, 30, 30 by 2, 15. And similarly here 25, 35 and 45. These are the values of M. So next to the formula, F into M is there. That is multiplication, product of F and M. So write Fm here. So we need to multiply frequency and mid value now. So multiply both now. So 2 5s are 10 and here 15 4s are 60 and here 6 into 25 150 and here 8 5s are 40, remainder 4, then 8 is 24, so 28 and here 450. Right, now look at the formula here. So sigma is in front of F into M. So we have to add Fm column now, right? So 0, 5, 8 5s are 13, 13 plus 5, 18, 18 plus 6, 24, 25, remainder 2, 6, 6 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9, so 950. And next to N is there, N is nothing but total frequency. So we have to put the total of frequency also. So 2 4s are 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 30. Right? Now substitute the formula. So x bar equal to sigma Fm by N. So equal to what is sigma Fm? So sigma Fm is nothing but this column only. So 950 divided by N is nothing but 30. So equal to 0, 0 get cancelled. So out of 9, 3 3s are 9 and here 0 is there. So 5 is there. So 1 5 remainder 2 out of 2 that is 0 20. So 6 3s are 18 remainder 2 6 3s are 18. Just keep going on. So x bar that is mean of the given data under direct method is 31.6. You can write as 7 because it's keep going on above 6, that is above 5, so that I add one number with the next number, therefore 31.67. Or you can write 31.6 itself, that's enough, right? So that is the procedure for finding mean value under direct method. Right. Next we are going to find out the mean value under second method, that is shortcut method. So the formula for shortcut method is nothing but x bar equal to a plus sigma fd by n. So first we are going to create a column, that is first two columns contains the given question. Therefore class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. And the class interval 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Right. Next, third column according to the formula as I already told you. So for the formula, D is there, right? So what is D? So in the formula, D is nothing but M minus A, right? So D equal to M minus A. So before that, we have to write M, right? What is M? M is nothing but mid value. So write mid value now. So mid value already we wrote in the first method, you can write that one. So 5, 10, 15, 25, 5, 10, 25, 15, 25, 35, 45. So next D. So D equal to M minus A. So M is here and what is A? So A is the equal in the formula. A is called assumed mean. So assumed mean means we are going to assume a number from M. That is called assumed mean. We are going to assume a number from M. You can assume any other number. It is better to assume the middle of the column M. So the middle of the column M is nothing but 25. So let us take A as 25. Right? Now we are going to subtract and write the result here. So M minus A, M is here, A is here, so we can subtract it. So in the first one, 5 minus 25 equal to minus 20. Because M value 5, A value 25, so 5 minus 25 minus 20. And similarly next one, so 15 minus 25 equal to minus 10. So next 25 minus 25 equal to 0. Then 35 minus 25 equal to 10. Then next 45 minus 25 equal to 20. So these are the values of D. Right? So next in the formula, F into D is there. That is product of F and D. So we need to write that column also, FD. So we are going to multiply the column of F and D. So F is here and D is here. So multiply these two columns. Right? So here 2 is there, here 20 is there. So if you multiply 2 into 20, so minus 40. Similarly 4 into 10. So minus 40. Similarly 6 into 0, 0. 8 into 10, 80. 10 into 20, 200. So they are the values. They are the values of FD. Next, in the formula, so summation is there. Summation in front of FD only. So FD column is this one only. So we are going to put the total of FD. Right? So add everything now. So here minus 40, here 80. So here minus 40, minus 80. And plus 80 is there. So they become cancel each other. So the total is 200 now. And similarly, in denominator N is there. So N is nothing but total frequency. So already we found the total frequency as 30. So write 30 here. Right? So next we are going to substitute the formula. That's it. So X bar equal to, so A. What is A value? 25. A is here 25. Plus what is sigma FD? 200. We found now only. And what is capital N? So capital is nothing but 30. That is total frequency. Now simplify this. So before simplify that, first divide these two numbers and then with the result add 25. Okay. So don't use the first itself, the first question, first term, right? First simplify this one. So 0, 0 get cancelled. So 20 by 3. So 20 by 3 means 6 3s are 18. Remainder 2. Again 6 3s are 18. again 6 3s are 18, it's keep going on. So equal to, now add these two now. So 25 plus 6.66, so 31.66, it's keep going on. So that is the value of x bar. Now look at the answers. So we get 31.67, but here 31.666, that is both are same only. So the method may be different, but what about your answer? So both are same, right? So next we are going to apply the third method. Next we are going to apply shortcut method for finding mean value. So this is the formula for finding mean value, that is shortcut method, that is a plus sigma fd by n into h. So when d is nothing but n minus a by h. So again we are going to create a column. So first two columns of it. So first two columns is nothing but the given data, and the third column is nothing but mean value. So mean value is nothing but 5, 50, 25, 35 and 45. Next in d value a is there, so we need to select a. So a is nothing but the middle value of m column. So 25 is a value. We can choose any value. So if we choose middle value means it is better. That's why I chose 25. So next we go to write d value. So d equal to m minus a divided by h. Right? So what is h? So h is nothing but length of class interval, already we have seen. So length of class interval is nothing but length of these. That is the difference of lower limit and upper limit. So 10 minus 0, 10. So that is the value of h. Right, now we can fill up D column by substituting here. The first one, so M value is nothing but 5, so 5 minus A value, we chose 25 and divided by H value 10. So now we are going to simplify this. So 5 minus 25 is nothing but minus 20 and divided by 10 equal to minus 2. So that is the first value of D. Similarly, we can choose for the second one. So M value 15 and A value 25 and divided by 10, so equal to minus 10 by 10 equal to minus 1. Similarly, the next one, 25 minus 25 divided by 10 equal to minus 25 divided by 10 equal to 0. Next, 35 minus 25 divided by 10 equal to 10 by 10 equal to 1. And finally 45 minus 25 equal to 20 and divided by 10, so equal to 2. So these are the three values, that is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So these are the values of D. So next in the formula F into D is there. So we need to multiply F column and D column. So F into D, we need to multiply these two. Right? So multiply and write the last column as FD. So 2 2s are 4, minus 4, and 4 into 1, minus 4, and 6 into 0, 0, 8 into 1, 8, and 10 into 2, 20. Now we are going to add this FD column because sigma is there in front of FD. Therefore, add now. So here minus 4, 8, so everything get cancelled here, so 20 will come here. And next, F value also we need. So F is nothing but 4 2s are 6, 12, so 30. Right? Now substitute the formula. So x bar equal to A value 25 plus sigma FD is nothing but 20 divided by N value is nothing but 30 into H value is nothing but 10. So equal to 25 plus, so multiply these two, so 200 divided by 30. So equal to 25 plus 0 0 will cancel. If you divide this means we will get 6.666, it keep going up. So 26 plus 6.7 I took like this. So the answer is 25. So answer is 31.7 or 31.67. You can take anything, right? So that is x bar. So look at the answers in all the three methods. So look at the answers in all the three methods. Here also 31.67. and in our step division, that is short.